So happy to see everybody. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Joanne. Hi, Sharon, Lynn, Maria, Molly. Gosh, you guys are coming in so fast today. Welcome, everybody. I'm Michele Heyward. Welcome, welcome. Hi, Anna. Hi, Lisa. Joanne. It's great to see all you ladies. Welcome to the PeriGirls Past the Cast. So, just a little bit about myself. I want to make sure you guys know that you should definitely join the PeriGirls. It's a group of women here on Periscope, but we also have a Facebook group. Well, we help other women find their voice. Welcome from the UK. Glad you can be here this afternoon or probably evening over there for you. And we're the PeriGirls. We're a group of women who help each other, not only learning how to Periscope, but also finding their voice. So everybody has something they want to share or they need to share with the world. And that is very important for you to do. So my name is Michele Heyward, and by day I am a construction engineer. So remember that hashtag, I look like an engineer. Guess what? I'm an engineer. I actually work in construction on a construction site with construction men. And I'll tell you ladies a secret, and take no offense ladies if this is your husband. You know how in the movies you see those sexy construction men? That is really only in the movies. That's why I'm still single. Trust me, it's only in the movies. It's only in the movies. So everybody, if you are interested in getting some more information, underground utilities, actually I do overhead utilities. I do high voltage power lines. So I'm in a project in Illinois where I'm doing 345 kV transmission lines. So I'm a field engineer or construction engineer for about 200 miles. I know, right? You got to live a different life. If you're going to do it. I don't get my hands dirty, honey. I sit in the truck like, yeah, you need to do that over there. Oh, yeah, you missed a spot over there. So it's really good. It's really fun. And I'll get out, talk to the guys because, hey, you got to get out and know them, right? And besides, you got to use the porta-john every now and again. So if you guys, I want to let you in on a secret. Well, it's not a secret. This week is National Engineers Week. That's right. It's National Engineers Week. So if you are interested in learning more about engineering, hey, Joanne, if you're interested in learning more about engineering, and if you have young girls in the Girl Scouts, they have an engineering badge. So definitely screenshot that and you can go and get more information about engineering projects to do with your kids, whether it's your church or a civic organization. Catherine, I think I met Catherine at Periscope Summit. So yeah, so if you guys are interested, definitely check out. There are several engineering organizations, but also join the PeriGirls where you can find other women like me who are also engineers. Exactly, Go Engineers, Society of Women Engineers, National Society of Professional Engineers, American Society of Civil Engineers. So we are all out here. So definitely be sure to follow the PeriGirls so you can meet other women who do some things that are different. You do underground utilities. Really? We need to connect. Known as Monique. I'll have to come back and I'll add you. That is great. So Joanne Tully is up next. So if you guys don't follow the PeriGirls, be sure to follow the PeriGirls. And also be sure to check us out. So tap tap the crap out of the screen. I want us to use a different word, but that won't work. So definitely, I know, right? Go Rice Girl is something else, but that is Joanne. Fam, everybody be sure to follow Joanne as well as the other members of the PeriGirl leadership team. So we also do blabs, we also do blabs, book clubs, what I want to say, karaoke. So Joanne, there's Joanne Tully, everybody. She is up next. Follow her because she is the woman to follow so you can learn about her and what she scopes about. And I do scope about goals, my life, my family, and being on the road as an engineer. So join me sometime and I can share with you. So morning motivations. the PeriGirls has something for everybody. So just in case you don't know, there's something in there, at least one thing you're going to like. I started out in Heart Tribes to learn about more PeriGirls and what they do. Oh, I'm trying to learn how to snap. I need a class because I can chat, but that snap part, I'm not quite getting it. So I need some more help. Like I did with Periscope, I need a Snapchat class. I really, really do. So if you guys have that, definitely. So hi from England. I'm glad you could come by today. Thank you, Frizzy Lizzie Beth. Yes, we are. The PeriGirls really know how to bring out the best in women. And it is, guess what? Guess what the price tag is? It is free 99. Is that in your budget? Free 99? It has to be. It has to be. TG. It's nice to meet you too. So remember, it's free 99. And if you need a coupon for free 99, let me know. And I have a barcode for you guys. So everybody, yeah, it got to be. Some people, that free 99, they think something's wrong with free 99. They still need a QR code for it. So is Joanne live? Joanne Tully. Hey, Vanessa. Welcome, Vanessa. So you guys, you have to join the PeriGirl. So I said blab. I said pass the cast. I said, guess what? There's something for the kids. They're Peri Kids too. Peri Kids. You got to join Peri Kids. So there's something in the PeriGirls for everybody. So you definitely, PG Kids. So you have to do it. And the Peri Dudes. Peri Dudes are awesome. So if you don't know about the Peri Dudes, how do you do? The fist pump is Black History Month. So Black History Month, you can type that all in, or you can just do the BHM, Black History Month, the first letter of each word. And that'll do the same thing. So that's how you get the fist. Yep, there you go. So see, Joanne and Catherine have us covered for that. So they always give us hints on the best emojis that we can, not emojis, but heart changeovers we can get. So it's really, really good. Is Joanne live yet, you guys? Otherwise, I don't want to take away from her. Okay, great. So we did book club. We do inspiration. Who does? Is she live? I'm sorry. Oh, okay. That's fine. Just let me know if she comes back. So then I'm also, yes, it is. It was a group of Periscopers who worked to get Periscope to put that fist together. The emoji education is something else, but you gotta love it. And it's a little bit for everybody, so you can learn more about every culture. So definitely if you want the Periscope team to do something, let them know because they're very open to it. You can DM them and you can also tweet to them and they are responsive, but understand they do get a lot of requests. So be considerate of the time and the size of their team because they are still traditionally a startup. So, okay, everybody, Joanne Tully is live. Thank you guys for coming through. I will talk to you later over on Joanne's Scope. Be sure to join the PeriGirls. Bye, guys.